recently I discovered something weird happening on my iPhone. Somehow the text just keeps getting smaller and smaller with each passing day. Or maybe it's just my age catching up. But don't worry, because you can actually increase the text size on your iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you why increasing your text size can make a huge difference and how to make it bigger step by step so you can scroll, read, and text without the eye strain. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Tap on Larger Text. Here at the bottom, you can see a slide bar where you can slide to adjust the text size on your iPhone. You can also toggle the option on here for larger accessibility sizes, where apps that support dynamic types will adjust to your preferred reading size below, and you can also adjust this size by sliding on the slide bar at the bottom. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.